Howdy, welcome to Palau. Today we are with Texas A&M professor Dr. Katie Schamberger. Thank you so much for inviting us to this incredible place.
I'm so glad you guys could be here. I'm super excited to tell you all about my research on coral reefs. We're in Risong Lagoon in Palau, and this is a perfect place to look at how climate change and ocean acidification are affecting coral reefs, not just here in Palau, but all over the world. And we've been lucky enough to work with the National Science Foundation and the Nature Conservancy to do this work. When most people think about climate change, they think about global warming. And ocean warming can be really damaging to coral reefs, but climate change affects coral reefs in other ways too, and one of those is called ocean acidification, and that's my specialty. When we burn fossil fuels, oil, coal, gas, we put lots of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and that mixes into the ocean. And when you combine carbon dioxide and water, it makes an acid called carbonic acid. So we are actually adding an acid to the ocean and lowering its pH. Ocean acidification is happening in every ocean all over the world, and so we want to learn how it's affecting coral reefs now and also into the future. Palau is a great place to study the effects of ocean acidification on coral reefs because the reefs here, some of them have normal levels of acidification, and some reefs have really high levels of acidification. Levels that we're not expecting to see until towards the end of the century. So because the acidification levels in the rock islands of Palau are so high, it's like looking at the ocean of the future. What makes Palau's reefs really unique is that they are highly diverse, they have lots of coral, they look very healthy, even though they have very high levels of acidification. And we want to understand why. Texas A&M has been a great place for me to work. We have a fantastic oceanography department with colleagues that work all over the world that I can collaborate with to work on ocean problems like ocean acidification. And also, we have some of the best students in the world.
Dr. Schamberger, thank you so much for inviting us here. It's incredible to see what Texas A&M is doing around the world. Thank you for watching, and
Giga Maggies!